Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rock fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. Welcome back. It is Monday, September 4th. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Labor Day. I know it is most people's times off. I know you're probably at home with your family, and we'll see how this week continues to go. And really, when it comes to crypto, we're not all that surprised. Crypto has dipped. We've been expecting this dip for quite some time, and we're finally seeing all that analysis, all that technical analysis finally playing out to show that sometimes you can make predictive judgments when it comes to crypto. So we are going to start off here, guys. But before we even do, I do want to remind you guys to please subscribe to this channel. It does make it easier to find like-minded individuals like yourself. And the easiest way to do that is if you hit subscribe as well as smoke that like button. We're going to start off immediately now with the market. Let me share my screen. And really looking at the global crypto market cap here at 1.04 trillion. The lowest we had seen it last week was 1.05. We finally did make that dip down. We are now at 1.04 trillion. I think we have more room to go down even further. So we'll see what happens as this continues. So I am going to continue on here with the heat map. Dominance pretty much leveling out. 48 for BTC, 18.81. BNB still holding strong, 3.18. And we'll see what ends up happening as it continues. Let me check in with the chat for a hot second. NW, Teddy Ganja in the house. Teddy Ganja in the house indeed. What's going on, NW? Nice to see you, buddy. Clean smoke. What's going on? Red Sox, Teddy. Sup, Teddy? Racket Club. Yay. What's going on, Racket Club? How things been? What are you doing? Where are you right now? Coochie boy. Nice to see you, buddy. And all the way Inu. What is going on, goons? We're pretty much doing the market watch right now, just looking at what's happening in the market, keeping an eye on everything that's happening, and making sure we're following along. So really, we're looking for biggest winners, and really not much winners. I saw the synthetics didn't really do too much research on it, but XLM Stellar, right? Shout out to them, 5% up. Congratulations. While the rest of the market, it has been downtrending. When it comes to trending tokens, guys, one thing: Bitcoin, Pepe still trending. We're out of Pepe. I've completely sold my bag on stream. I'm out. And Bitcoin even is retracing. So I would not be surprised if this continues to retrace more. Shout out to someone on the stream last week that had talked about Shiba v Pepe. It does appear that one is continuing to make trends up. So we'll see what happens. I do want to focus in on the news segment on Gala, because I know a lot of you are like, hey, why is Gala downtrending, Teddy? Gala was supposed to be the next, the crypto games. And I'm like, bro, you don't even know the half of it. This is a quite crazy thing to unpack, really, what's happening with Gala and what could happen. Knowing Teddy, I just been getting wrecked on Degen plays. Grimace did well for the month. Oh, okay. I didn't even see Grimace for the month. Let me see. 30-day. I guess I must have missed it. The biggest losers, I see Pepe, Gala, these are the things I'm keeping track of. But yeah, we'll see. Almost across the board, XRP. Come on, man. How? We'll see. I'm keeping an eye. Teddy, have you checked out Shepe. I feel like I have, but I don't know anything about it. So tell me about it, Rakib. Tell me, man. All right, and continuing on, just to wrap up with the market watch, we're looking at futures, guys. Nothing has changed compared to when we saw, like, a lot of shorts coming in. It yet again went back to average, which is around that 30% for shorts, 70% for long. So people are fairly still bullish on BTC more than before. So we'll continue to watch what happens here. But as of right now, I do believe that these guys have room, that they believe that it's going to continue to go up. And unfortunately, we'll talk about it in the charts. I'm not feeling the same bullish sentiment, but keep in mind, this is for the 1 hour time frame. And we can actually uh, take a look here. Let's see. They even have long short ratios on the 5 minute. Let me see. Can I go even crazier? 1 day. Give me the 1 day. Yeah, it's about the same. 3168. Uh, top trader accounts, top trader long short positions. So yeah, it really relatively ends up being the same. These guys just don't change, man. It's just average all the time. All right, so that's it for Market Watch. We're gonna go on to the news. Let me go over really two main articles I want to focus in on, and the first one being the Gala Games. Gala Games. What's happening with Gala Games, Teddy? Tell me everything. Guys, one main thing is there's two owners that own 50% of the company, and those owners are Wright Thurston and this Eric Schiemeyer, right? Both of these guys own 50%. And now what's happening is they're trying to remove each other from the board of directors. And the reason that is because one guy says Schumacher basically says that Thurston took tokens from the company wallets and transferred it to himself and basically sold off. So 130 million tokens, he's saying, was taken out. So he filed a lawsuit against Schumacher, filed a lawsuit against Thurston saying, hey, you took 130 million worth of Gala tokens out of the company wallets. And these tokens were then sold between September 2022 and May 2023. So this is like boom, right? So we find this big, like, look at what's happening with the two co-founders of this gigantic token all these guys are in on, right? And then immediately we find out that Thurston also did a lawsuit or countersuit, right? Which basically he's like that he also Schumacher also um you know did malicious things uh with his company tokens as well. Like he took him out as well. So this one caused BG to pay 5 million toward an installment of a corporate jet. And I'm just like, dude, what? Like, we don't know if any of this is true. All we know is this is going to be a big headache for someone to go through. Like, this is going to be so hard to unpack for whoever gets into this. But the kicker of this is this Thurston guy is already in a legal battle with another company called Green United with the green token, and supposedly that green token doesn't exist. So already Thurston's in hot water, but he's still firing back. So it makes me want to believe, that now this guy's got two lawsuits on him. Maybe this is like part of his game, Thurston. Maybe Schumacher may be, in the right here. But in the end, regardless of right or wrong, this is all alleged. We won't know till um, it actually unpacks through the courts what I'm feeling now, knowing that this is what's happening with Gala Games. And I don't know if you guys are part of Gala Games snoozing, but I made it. Good evening, Goonies. What's going on, my crypto pie, William? We're basically taking a look at Gala Games, trying to unpack what's happened and really understand the future of Gala Games as well. So now we know two of the owners have lawsuits or alleged misuse of company funds for their own gain. So these are the two owners of Gala Games. They both have 50% control of the company, and they're trying to remove each other from the board of directors. So it definitely, uh, Teddy, check Founders Pack free NFT for WAGME NFTs holders. Wait, what does this mean? Check Founders Pack. You got to tell me more. Red Sox, don't give me these little snippets, bro. Tell me the full thing. What do I got to do? What do I got to do? Tell the goons. But real quick, guys. So that's the basic synopsis of what's happening with Gala Games. It is quite an interesting uh, situation, and really, what I'm looking as the main turnout is the future of Gala Games. And because these guys already operate under companies, I'm really hoping that the developers for Gala Games can continue alongside this legal battle, regardless of what happens. I feel like both of these founders must have some sort of investment to, hey, regardless of me coming after you or you coming after me, we need Gala Games to do well. But then when you have two people and one going after the other, you kind of get a bad taste in your mouth. Do you still want to continue Gala Games? Do you still want to, make it the top contender that it once was, or do you move on to the next thing? You know what I'm saying? Like this is so hard to really say what's going to happen in the future. Uh, just knowing, just knowing that you know these guys are not in it for the long run, because now they're going after each other, and you don't know if they necessarily have the token's best interest or their best interest, because now there's basically salt on those wounds. OpenSea partnership, WAGME Games forges a dynamic partnership with OpenSea ahead of WAGME Defense Founders Mint. So what am I supposed to do? What does this mean? What do I do? What am I supposed to do? All right. So going on with the news, the next thing I want to talk about, and really the last thing I want to talk about, because nothing else is going on. The rest is all clickbaity. Stay with me, goons. We just talked about Gala Games and all that. And now we're going to talk about stake.com. And if you guys don't know what stake.com is, you're completely fine. Stake.com is one of the biggest online crypto uh gambling casino online gambling casinos, right? So, or online casino, which promotes gambling. And really what it comes down to is, hey, they were exploited, and 41.3 million was taken from their wallet, and it was lost across Polygon and Binance Smart Chain. So it was basically, that's it. They're calling it a private key leak. Their private key was leaked, and that's how uh, the company's funds were stolen. And it is so hard for me to believe this, but and at this point, private key leak, maybe, because it could be hard trusting someone with that much Ethereum uh or literally altcoins. I think they even had altcoins, 2.1 million in altcoins, right? So we'll see what ends up happening, if they ever recover. Right now I have zero faith that they're gonna uh even care about this 41 million. And the reason I say that is these guys made 2.6 billion in revenue in 2022. All right. This little 40 million exploit, they lost one wallet out of like the billions of dollars they can make. Gambling is done for a reason. It is a profitable thing. It's like, I think even the profitability is like 70% or even higher that the casino wins. So it's very rare to find people that are good at gambling, but they do exist, they say. Oh, we'll see. But yeah, this is primarily what they had for the news. I do want to continue on here with The chats, Teddy. We gotta look at the chats, guys. Don't fall asleep on me. Make sure you smoke that like button. Follow along. We got a nice little follow indicator here. If you ever lose track, you smoke the like button too hard. You're like, Teddy, what are you talking about right now? You're like, he's on number 3. He's on charts. Okay, I understand. I worry about the goons, but we want to make sure you're quite informed as we go along, and nothing, I repeat, nothing has changed. Some of you guys are going to be like, no, Teddy, there's uh buy indicators coming in and whatnot, but dude, triple G indicator still shows negative sentiment. That long position came in. That long position makes no sense currently, even across all time frames. I'm seeing a sell indicator, as I said, with the Indian oscillator, continues being a bearish sign. Even when the long position came in, it was during the sell uh, indicator on the Indian oscillator. What has been interesting is seeing the HARSI. We're seeing the green candles form, but that does not make me feel bullish because we've seen that before and then been rocked hard. So that could happen again. We're still looking at support at 25,166. My level of resistance 2,667, which once was support. So it's literally support turned resistance, right? So we'll see what ends up happening as we go along. What happened? She couldn't fall asleep. She kept saying your name. She kept saying Dada. My wife has entered the building. Let's see. You guys want to see my baby? Yes, she has been saying Dada. Dada, I want to talk to the goons. I got stuff to say. What do you want to say, Kyra? Tell me what you want to say. Yeah, you got. Listen here, goons. Yeah. All right. Well, she's gonna just be holding out here. So Teddy, you will get free founders pack because you are holding Genesis NFT. Awesome. Wait, if I hold multiple, do I get multiple NFTs? Oh, let me go to this thing. Let me go to 1 second, goons. Let me quickly before we completely dive into this. I just want to make sure we give Red Sox the benefit of the doubt and we look at the news. Don't make me sign up, man. All right. We're excited to reveal that OpenSea, the world's largest NFT marketplace, is now our official uh, partner. This strategic partnership comes in right time for our upcoming Founders Mint, and it's more than just a team up. It's a chance to bring some serious innovation to the table. The Web3 gaming world. I mean, Web3 gaming, we've seen what happened with Gala Games, so I got zero hope here. WagMe Defense founders. Yeah, I kind of want to watch this. Are they going to copy strike me if I watch this? Damn it, Scott Herman, you tell them not to copy strike me. I'm trying to teach the goons, man. I'm trying to teach the goons. All right, 1 second. Let's watch this. Maybe it's going to sum it all up for us. I'm going to turn on the audio here. Boop, 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 boop. Let's see. Is this it? WagMe Games right time. Boom. Dun, dun, dun. All right, here we go. Make sure you can hear it. Oh, wait, I have it.
We gonna take it to the. We gonna take.
Oh, my God. Oh.
We gonna take it to the.
Whoa, bro, is this not HD? This is HD. I'm on fucking 10. Oh, I'm on 1080p, boys. I don't know what's going on. Wait, I totally missed the thing. Okay, WagMe Summer, official partnership in preparation for WagMe Games launch. You can see Founders Pack dropping in September 2023. Okay, September 2023 now. So, bye, Krya. I call her Krya now. Let me see. All right, so that told me nothing. Go back. It was a nice video, though. Very catchy music. Thanks. Let me see. Wait, I just wanna go back to the article. Okay, here we go. WAGMI defense mint, stay tuned. We are planning to drop not just another mint, but the mint of the year. Another mint, dude. It literally sounds like another mint. Wait, Red Sox, can we get our comic books yet? Hey, what's going on? F Joe, crypto. We got SK. Racket Club saying hi to F Joe. Dude, what the hell? Our upcoming catalyst combined with OpenSea's powerful marketing. Yeah, we just already read that. We share more details. So we don't have all the details yet. It's just stay tuned. And they talk about the things. Okay, so very clickbait. Wait, what's this? Hey, this is me. Look, I come up recommended on my own feed. Like, what the heck? Oh man, 5 days ago we found this out, bro. That's great. Let's see what ends up happening. All right, so I got that. Now going back to the chats with my trading view. All right, so as I was saying with BTC, right here, we still have no positive sentiment. We have no good indicator telling us that, hey, something's going to turn around. Don't even hit me with the HRSI. I feel like it's just don't get caught up by it. It's still showing very narrow, or if not, it's not even narrow. It still shows in the Andean oscillator. We got that bearish sign. Yo, Teddy and the Goons. NW, I saw you say hi right in the beginning, and then as soon as I went live, you disappeared. I'm like, what happened? What happened, NW? What happened? So most of your guys' questions, hey, are we gonna stay in the 25s or is there a chance you go above 26? Absolutely. I understand that feeling. Currently, I remain completely bearish on this. I do believe we are going to dip below 25. I've seen support being tested around 25. 25,166. I can agree with that. Just being the last time before we bounced back. So we're going to continue monitoring. But as of right now, I continue being bearish. Even the news, even all the positive news in the world has not shifted this sentiment. So Ethereum, same exact thing. We're continuing seeing downtrend and really what they said, whale sell-off, right? So if that's truly true, then maybe the whales do know something and they've already sold off preemptively, knowing they'll get back in sometime soon. But it's the pattern is following the similar pattern of BTC. Andean oscillators still showing a completely bearish sign. So we're going to follow this short for quite some time. Now, when it comes to BNB, have we hit the bottom? We keep asking, is bottom in? Guys, the case for BNB is still not unpacked. We still don't know what remains to be done with CZ's and the SEC's lawsuit. I'm not sure what's left to unpack. We have to continue to monitor really what remains. And that's a lot of that information is sealed. And once that information comes out, this could continue to dip. So I know a lot of you guys tried to get it at 203, 210. Currently, we're hovering over 214. Still very bearish in my eyes. But that long signal did come in, and people were initially bullish, but I still remain quite bearish about the token overall. XRP doing the XRP thing has not made true upward trends. It's basically going sideways. It finds a stable level and just goes sideways for quite some time. I expect it to do that around this 50-cent marks. As you guys know, I did expect it to go to 44 cents. I'm still under the impression it could, just because there, even with the positive sentiment with XRP and the court case, the U.S. judge ruling it not a security, driving it to 93 cents, the pullback all the way to 50 cents, I think it could pull back even more around that 44 cents as well. Teddy, what's ETH looking like? Jumped in short, felt degen. Oh, man, you missed it. Watching Pepe, Bobo, Sneebu, or Mumu, Sneebu or Momo? Pepe, Bobo, Sneebu, or Mumu. I'll have to keep you updated. Jonathan, I'm gonna look at these. I'm gonna look at these right after the what's new segment. Hang around, buddy. You hang around, I will get there. I promise. It just takes me a while. I gotta keep myself coordinated. Otherwise I ADHD out and I lose people's interest. So right now we're on charts. We're gonna go through like the top like 6, 7 charts we've been looking at. Shiba Inu continued downtrending. Shibarium did nothing to this. Dogecoin, I'm expecting good Dogecoin news coming in from X. Still hasn't come in. They've gotten the permits, they've gotten everything in order to process payments. Not really sure how that will be used in their ecosystem, but we are watching this go sideways. So now Pepe, Jonathan, you are lucky. We do get to look at the Pepe chart. Now, what we know with Pepe is the news that the devs had already gone through. All good. Just always like your TA, my meme coins I'm watching. I'll tell you about Pepe real quick. The remainder I'll hit in Goon time or what's new. So real quick, right? So what we know about Pepe is the dev team is already out. The dev team um, got into the multi-sig wallet. They moved their tokens to the exchanges, and allegedly they've sold off their tokens, and that's what caused this price to plummet. And keep in mind, dev team. What was the dev team, developing? There's no utility for Pepe. You're telling me, oh, it's because they made the contract address? There's no taxes for Pepe. So really, the dev team was making nothing other than they took those tokens and allegedly they're sitting on an exchange somewhere, and that's all we know. There's no one there on Pepe going after the dev team. No one saying, "Hey, these guys did something wrong." Basically, the Pepe utility is nothing. The dev team has tokens. They may or may not have sold all of it. What are you going to believe if you are the creator of Pepe? If you have involvement into Pepe, and then all of a sudden you have this much tokens that you have taken out, moved to exchanges. Are you going to sell all of it immediately, get out, and that's it? Or do you hang on and you see where so this is the thing. And if they are hanging on, they're hanging on to dump on us still. So it's like, is that the risk you're willing to take on what they call Pepe? They're just waiting for the next pump to dump on us. I think overall, I still continue to be bearish. I think there's a strong level of retracement left to come in. And I'm really looking at many zeros, 1-9. I want to say 6 zeros, 1-9. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, 1-9 as my level of support next, because it went up so quick and now we're in that retracement zone. We're below the last low. So currently we're setting new lows as we downtrend. So we'll continue to see what happens in Pepe. And just because Red Sox is here, Red Sox, we are around that 5 cent mark. The last time we were here, people ate this up like anything. I thought that could happen again, but because the overall market remains bearish, I do believe this will continue to downtrend. We could see 4 cents back again on Crow. So if you're looking for entry in, that could be it. For all those bone guys, bone, Teddy, Shibarium, bone, rewards, bone, staking, treat. I told you. We're going to continue to hope for your sake, and we'll see what happens. Don't get carried away by the new buys on Pepe. People are doing DCA so they can sell. Yep, that's exactly what's happening. How far will Grimace retrace? Wait, I haven't even seen what Grimace has done. Okay, so that's it for charts. I'm gonna move over to Goon Time just to fill. What's new? Just to fill ourselves back in with what happened with our last watch list. So we were looking at Pepper, which was one of the tokens we got into. Currently, on Pepper, we have downtrended here. We're at 4046. We're down. Let me see. I'll tell you the exact amount we're down. We're down 22%, boys. So we'll see what happens. Keeping an eye on here. But it is currently trading. Let me see. Go back. I'm gonna change to the degen list as well, and we got F tools. So we got into F tools at 11 cents. It sits at 1 cent. That's 90% down. All right. Don't believe me? Here you go. Boom, boom. We're 90% down. All right. So this is definitely, I think, rugged. I'm out. I'm out. And now we can go find new ones to look at. So let me go back. So this is SK's filter that we're using as well. And basically, what we're using this for is to filter through, and it finds things that meet our metrics. So we're looking for strong liquidity, strong volume, and trading, right? So I'm looking at the liquidity here. I see 26K in the last 5 minutes, 50% up. Man, this is positive across the board. 114 buys, risky rewards. It's called risky rewards. 14K came into this. Dang. Just keeps going up. Just keeps going up. All right, let's get in here. Just keeps going up. Teddy, just keeps going up, Teddy. I'm going to add this to our watch list and I'm going to lock it so we have it. All right. We'll see what happens on that. All right, so we're on risky rewards. I'm gonna find another one here. I saw something like crazy. What is this? Bucklow. Bucklow. In the last 5 minutes, it has downturn 25K. Dude, already 500K in volume. What is this? Artificially pumped, bro? No freaking way. Look at this candle. This is a steep. This is a steep. Oh man, this is retraced like anything. I don't even want to get in on this, dude. What even is this token about? Bala. Oh man, I don't zero trust there. Biden, Joe Biden Jr. 11K in liquidity, 2.6K volume. Seems iffy. What is this one? Dankest coin. 37K in liquidity, 177K. Okay, 960, almost a million. Dankest coin. Oh, dude, dankest coin. It's going up, Teddy. We're going up. Okay, let's get into dankest coin. I kind of like this horizontal line. Dankest coin. And remember, for the most part, unless you go, hey, Renga, what's going on? Nice to see you, buddy. Are these Shibarium coins? Nah, bro. These are Ethereum coins. We're on the Ethereum chain looking at plays we can potentially get into. How you been, Renga? How are things? How's life? How's your Labor Day going? And by the way, shout out to all the US guys that are off today or celebrating Labor Day or working this Labor Day as well. I know it can be quite rough out here. Lol. Lol indeed. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on these. We've checked in with the others. Let me just go over here to Goon Time to make sure we get uh the full TA that Jonathan wanted. So Jonathan, I hope you're still here. I'm gonna quickly look at Bobo for you here, buddy. I myself was in Bobo quite some time ago. I no longer am. I'm trying to see which one is the right Bobo. Are you in the new Bobo that just came out? Or are you in like the original Bobo from 3 months ago? I'm chilling. Okay, yeah, there you are. Which Bobo are you in, bro? Are you in the one from today? Trying to grow my X? What do you mean you're trying to grow your X? Your followers on X? That's what you're trying to grow? How many followers you got, Renga? Tell me about your X. Nah, the original. Okay, here's the original. 3 months. So 3 months. Let's see. We're looking at volume completely tapered off. We're still above launch price here. Can I add some indicators? I just want to add RSI. Okay, yep. RSI relatively downtrending. Bollinger Bands. I just want to see. And I want moving average. I want two moving averages. And actually, I can hide the Bollinger Bands. I'll do MA. I can't recall. 200. I'll do this one 200. I'll do this 150. We need different colors. Let me do purple. And then MA 200. I will do yellow. Is there even a yellow? What the heck? Hey, Bollinger Bands, get out of here. I'm sorry, I'm just adding indicators on here. Okay, so only the MA 50 shows up on this on the day. Let me go 4 hour. Okay, yeah, here we go. So it looks like you have a death cross right here, bro. What is this? This is MA 200 crosses MA 50 on a downtrend. Oh man, this looks death crossy, bro. This does not sound good. Though the bands are getting narrow, so if you have another crossover, you could get lucky. But I would only be day trading this right now. I would not even be in this for the long term. The volume has just completely tapered off. Market cap looks good, but that's only because the liquidity is 274K. Yes, like 550. We are a derugged NFT project, so we had to start all over and trying to do it organically, but very slow. Yeah. Let me find you on X here, Renga. 1 second. Dun 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 dun. Wait, put your X information. I'm gonna go find it. Renga. Renga. Apes Club. Dun dun dun. Is this you? 550. Oh, followed by Ryan Patrick and T Habs. T Habs. Mutant Monday. It's that time again. All right, there you go. You got a like from me. Your metrics aren't doing so well. 28, 27. I have the same problem. Welcome to the club. True GM Renga Apes Club. Is this a Renga ape? Renga Apes Club 5390. A fusion between two of the most iconic projects in Web3. Interesting. Very interesting. A fusion between two of the most iconic. Mega Mutant. So what happened? What's the story here? Keck, I still got my Shinjo for the airdrop of aliens, so if it dumps, just a dip for me. Mostly a narrative meme buy. Oh boy. Man, that is a hard decision, bro. Now you're in Bobo, you're in Alien, you're in. Yeah, I mean, at this point, you find the best meme coin, and either you're putting all your ducks in one, or you're doing something else. X will be full of Pepe, Bobos, and Snibu and Mumu during their respective time frames. Oh yeah, Jonathan, that is right. Just my crazy theory. So now that I've seen Bobo, I've seen Pepe. If I was gonna pick a meme coin to get into, bro, I would seriously try to find one that's getting the most traction or trending that you're seeing on Twitter, and hope for the best, because most of the time it's only the communities that are driving these meme coins. It's very rare that you're going to get influencers that will tell you to get into them, because most of the time those influencers just dumping on you. Raymond is my main account. Oh wait, this is you. Hey, I'll give you a follow, buddy. Hey, are you following me? Let me see. Renga Apes. Hey, where's my follow? You're not following me, man. Where's my follow, Raymond? What the hell, man? All right, let me see. Renga Apes, are you following me? Hey, that's 2 accounts you could be following me on. It's an ape derivative profile picture project. Oh, dude, that's awesome. That's awesome. Did you guys do all the minting and everything? Oh, ordinal mint. Oh, was it ordinals? This is on ordinals, and it's OpenSea ETH. Wait, what is this? Ordinals or OpenSea? What was this? Ordinals or OpenSea? Ordinals? Oh yeah. Even the floor price is quite low. Total volume 26 in volume. I'm just looking at activity. Oh yeah, you're uptrending recently. That's good. Maximum you all the way out to 0.02. People were trading like crazy. Yeah, just keep it up. You're in the NFT space. At this point, you're either releasing another collection, making a hybrid, mutant, or some variation of these for the community, because people are into the art and they're into the ecosystem. So unless you're offering something else, then I would just keep doing it. I also made a separate ordinal. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what you do, man. Keep them coming. You're doing the right things. You're doing the right thing. So yeah, shout out to the Renga Apes Club guys. Check this out. Yeah, I have some other cool base I'm working on. Oh, dude, that's awesome. So Raymond, you trying to make it big just like me, bro. We got to make it big. I have an NFT project as well. It's gonna be getting things out. Oh yes, this is Goon time, guys. Shout it out, Shepe. I'm gonna look at Shepe. I said I will. Let me look at Shepe. SHEP. Oh, and for NFTs, I got 3 from Ether. Excited for the team. Okay, so you have NFTs from Shinja as well. Oh, Shiba Pepe. I have heard of Shepe. I have heard of Shepe. Bro, someone came on the stream freaking last week and shilled us Shepe, and I thought it was a meme token, and this thing is just making the rounds, man. 7.2 million market cap, 335K in liquidity. Definitely high LP ratio here, but the token continues going up even on the current downtrend. Even when the market is down, Shepe has gone up. So I'm quite bullish on Shepe here. Let me see. Dude, I have to keep adding the moving averages every time? Why do you do this to me? Why? It's fine. Just give me RSI. RSI. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, there's no RSI for that. 4 hour. Oh, RSI is mad high on those too. Ooh, I mean, it could be leveling out before the next uptrend. Goon. I couldn't find your collection last time. No, we're making a new collection. We're airdropping people from the new collection. It's the whole thing. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. I'm trying to find good partners to work with, so that way it works out for everyone that gets into the Goon NFTs. And they're also profile picture driven. The Goon Gang, actually. I think it's Ganja Gangs. I think what I ended up going with for the name. Yeah, hear that, Racket? When we done good. Yeah, dude, Shepe, you did mad good. F Joe, I think it was you that nice. Well, let me know. Maybe I can give our community some white lists or something. Okay, yes, absolutely, dude. Um, Renga, I can totally let you know once I'm ready. You can definitely get some white lists for your community. I can work that agreement out with you, sir. Not an issue at all. Let me see here. Pum, 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 pum. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I'm totally down to help the goons, dude. And you've been here a few times, and the goons, I like to help the goons out. But guys, I do want to wrap it up for today. It is Labor Day. I do want to say shout out to Max of Crypto Talk Now. Do check him out. He tends to stream immediately after me. Um, It's just the Crypto Talk Now channel. At some point, I do want to get more content out to you guys. I know the shorts slowed down last weekend. We're working with a new group to help me with the upload process. So they're trying to iron things down. So we're on a good schedule. At some point, my content is recorded already. We're just trying to get it out to you guys. And we're gonna try Max's logic, which is 3 videos, hopefully every day for 90 days, to unshadow ban myself from the YouTube algorithm. I do want to try and do that. That would be, I think, awesome for the goons as well. If you guys got 3 videos every day, one short, one video, one live stream, I think that'd be wild. I probably am only going to stick with the 4 live streams, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. At some point, I got to fill in the other 2 segments. Maybe I'll do 2 shorts on those off days, or 2 videos and 1 short. I got to figure it out. But yeah, I'm definitely here to stay. I'm going to keep working to make sure this algorithm gives me the light of day. So guys, goodbye. I'll see you next time. Don't get rug pulled. And always don't be a hero. Goodbye.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah. 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 Get informed.